another Killer Planes video.
Whoa! Okay, why don't I hold it upside down or something so it doesn't try to take off. So, well, we're gonna fly this around with the goggles, see what we can do. It's pretty bright out. I don't know how well the goggles are gonna work with all this snow on the ground. But we're gonna check it out because I love flying in the wind.
Was it hard to control?
Very. See how slow it's going? Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
I did not do that.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
It's just getting flipped all over the place.
Holy cow.
It's a crazy wind.
Is it? Yeah, I'm really having trouble tracking you.
Very, very windy and lots of like big gusts.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, a roller coaster. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
I am not doing that.
You better come in. You want to come in? Yeah, let's see if you can bring it in okay. You're gonna have to see this footage. Oh my gosh, it's flying sideways. Oh, come on, baby. Oh! Holy cow. Nice! Wow! Wow, that's a tribute to your skills. Holy cow.
Insane.
That was... Oh my god.
That was seriously insane. There's some big wind going on up there.
And not a good flying day, huh?
Oh no, it's beautiful. Oh yeah. Well, I never got the goggles on because I wasn't about to take my hands off the controller to pull them down onto my face. That wind nearly tore the motor off. It all came, this is glued on really well, and it got loose, and the wings got loose, which are also glued on, so I don't think I can put it up again because I think it'll I think it'll just get torn apart.
maybe even down here on the ground.
Man. So well, that's it for today, but maybe we got some shot of our killerplanes.com. So, Steve from Killer Planes signing off. Until next time, see you on the flight line.